Hey there. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're taking a look at the Creality Ender-3 v3 Shea 3D printer. And let me tell you, this thing is a game changer. First off, let's talk about the Sprite extruder. It's highly capable and works like a dream with a variety of materials, unlocking your creative potential and ensuring reliable, high-quality prints every time. The assembly of this printer is a breeze, taking just 10 minutes to put together, with auto-leveling in just 8 minutes and filament loading in 2 minutes. You'll be up and running in no time. The sleek and compact design of the Ender-3 v3 Shea not only looks great but also ensures stability and precision during printing. And with the CR touch sensor for auto-leveling and strain sensor for auto-Z offset, you can sit back and relax while the printer takes care of the rest. The user interface is top-notch, displaying all the necessary parameters and giving you real-time feedback on the printing process. And with the Creality print software, you'll have a simple workflow and rich slicing presets at your fingertips. But perhaps the most impressive feature of the Ender-3 v3 Shea is its speed. With a max printing speed of 250 mm per second and an acceleration of 2500 mm per square second, you'll be whipping up impressive prints in no time. So, if you're ready to unlock your creativity, have fun, and take your 3D printing game to the next level, then look no further than the Creality Ender-3 v3 Shea. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this game-changing 3D printer today.